Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sporty Bongs. Igama lami Bonga Inkosi. Hope nikahle niyaphila. I'm going to do a prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Orbit College. Them Sonke boys. We know with the coming to this fixture, they will bring their A game because they are oozing in confidence after winning 2 back-to-back games. They have won 2-1 versus Richards Bay and they've won 3-1 against Makese FC. Kaizer Chiefs nabo broke the dark whereby we ended the winless run when we defeated Durban City 1-0 Moses Mabhida. So obviously this is how Kaizer Chiefs will set up. I don't think they will change much. Obviously we know Lapa at the back because of Miguel being suspended simply means Uzita Kuneka is coming back. He's going to start that game. So I don't see us changing much. It will be the same lineup. The one that played versus Durban City, especially the one that started. It's only Miguel that I think go to Zobangeko. So at the goal post is going to be Brennan Peterson. 7 clean sheets in 10 games. That's a good record, especially from a goalkeeper that last season was heavily criticized, but this season he made sure he comes back strong. So left back is Bradley Cross. Bafana Bomlungu. He's showing he's a good player and we must rely on him in that left back position. Even though we have Abu Shinga, we have Abu Marco, but Bradley Cross is our main guy. Left centre back, it's Aiden McCarthy. He's showing he's still hungry. He's still hungry because kuma performances you can see it's just it's those little minor mistakes that I can say he has to fix. But overall his game it is good, especially him as a ball player. It helps us because in terms of a build up, him able to pass those defense splitting passes. Aloga pula nje ama window and go right center back it's Zita Kunika uyabuya futhi, arguably our best defender this season. He was given a chance and he made sure he grabs it with both hands. Yabo. So he's one of our best defender. Right back, I don't know what happened to Solomons, but I saw him limping on that game. That's why they've introduced Monyane. If it happens it was just a minor thing, I think he'll return to the starting 11. But if there was something we're gonna start with Uthabiso Monyane or Hakim. Middle of the park, jump le position because you always know there's Ox lapana not unless the coaches decide otherwise we will rest him because he deserves to rest now. Angeke simdlalise wonke ama games we did, but he needs to rest so that other players can play. Yabo. Bese ku number 8, that's where it becomes difficult because we saw Induna Endao Undosi playing very well on that game versus Durban City. But what does that say? Can he start or he'll come off the bench also again? Because Umshini he's making it difficult for Uqele Abe start on the number 8. But after what he showed us, he's showing bit by bit he'll return to his former self. But I think I will start with Umshini again because we are playing against the Mswenko boys, one of the best teams that can play a ball. They know how to retain a ball. They know how to move the ball. So Lapana, we need someone that has a football IQ that will make it easier for us to play because that middle fielder of UTP Lapana in the middle of the park, it don't be easy for us. But Ungobo and Ox obviously will make sure they don't play their normal game whereby they are playing freely, everything they do is fluid. But we'll need to Ox was by destroy but to allow Umshin kubo huye wenza show ukuthi ibhola siyadlala. Number 10 obviously Umntu Odai. One thing I love about him and it makes it difficult for the coaches with the bench. it is the fact that he's very direct with what he wants to do with the ball. They like him for his directness. Ukuthi he always wants to go straight to the goalpost. Every time he has the ball, he thinks about making box entries. He thinks about going forward. There's no way Guti you will bench a player like that. It's just Guti is not scoring goals, but his explosiveness, his energy is helping the team, especially when we need to press the team high up there. So that's why he's always starting. Bese ke ku left winger, I think they're gonna put Ulilepo on the left winger. Even though I'd prefer ukuthi aqaliswe uvele by, but Ulilepo will be preferred number 1. Hopefully ukuthi he will deliver in this game. Bese ke ku striking force siqhubeka ngayo goals power Ikotaro, because I think ukuthi it is someone that I can say ukuthi he can help us with the build up, he can protect the ball, he can play the ball. He's a striker that is good when it comes to playing. One thing I get frustrated with him is the fact that sometimes it drops too deep and it makes it difficult for him to join our attacks when we are going forward. But he's an outlet that we need, especially when we are in a tight positions whereby we need ukuthi siphume in difficult situations. He'll be there as an outlet. And then right winger obviously it's Mfundo Vilakazi paper 2. That's when ukuthi obviously in the left winger we have a player that is using a right foot. On the right winger we have a player that is using a left foot. It's all about carrying inside. But if there's an opportunity, maybe they can interchange positions so that they can benefit us in terms of our crosses, because our strikers need to be fed ball in order for them to score. Yabo. Bese ke as sub, obviously we saw ukuthi Flavio Silva is a super sub, so he's always a game changer. I'll put him on the bench. Faka no Serino, Monyane, Uvele Pai, Bruce Voma, Thabo Cele, Siphelisihle Ndlovu, Lebohang Maboyi will be on the bench also. I think we'll be covered on the bench with these players. So I don't know, you can also do your own lineup lapha in our comment section. This is it for today.